Thank you for choosing to attend Atherton Junior Senior High School Parent-Teacher Conferences for the spring. Once again this year, our conferences are going to be online, and so we will ask that you please go online to sign up for them. Signing up is easy. If you go to our website, athertonschools.org, scroll down to Spring Parent-Teacher Conferences. At the bottom, you will see a link for how to sign up for conferences at the junior senior high. Just click on it. It's going to take you to this page, which now has links for every teacher and how to sign up for your meeting with them. So let's say we want to meet with Ms. Rusnick. We're just going to find her name, find her link, click on it, and up comes this page where you can see April 5th is the only day highlighted because that's the only day for conferences at the junior senior high. I click on it. Now you can see all of the times that Ms. Rusnick is able to meet with you to talk about your child or children. Pick the one that works best for you. I think we should talk at 8:30 about my daughter. I'm going to hit confirm. Now I'm just going to fill in my name. So it's Jim Ply. And I'm going to put in my email address. And who we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about my daughter, Krista. And I'm going to hit schedule the event. And that's all there is to it. I just repeat the process for each of the teachers I want to meet with. The important thing is you're going to get an email to that email address that you received. It's going to have a calendar invite for you, and it's going to include the Zoom address that you will need for that conference. Every meeting with every teacher is going to have a different Zoom address, so make sure you save those emails. And if you have any problems, you can always contact Atherton Junior Senior High School, and we'll be happy to help.